This very level of resistance is holding the market strong and preventing buyers from moving to the upside. With this very little spike right here, market come back down. What does it mean? I am expecting a possible Bitcoin crack down. That means market is going to move down, and that is what I'll be talking about in today's video. Watch this video to the end. I'll be talking about other pairs. If you are new to this channel, please help like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and analysis. I have been talking about this very area of resistance in my videos, and right now market is finding it very difficult to break. I talked to you about this very level of resistance, a very strong one right here, because this is a one-day chart. Market come here the first time, come here second time, and right now we have a spike out of the level, but the market did not close above this very close. It closed below this very close. So that means market is finding a strong resistance. What it also means is that there is a very strong buy pressure here preventing the market from moving to the upside. That means market have a high chance of coming back down, and that is what we are seeing right now. So this is what you must have to watch on your chart to be on the right side of the market, so that you don't get trapped in for a possible crackdown coming right now. On this very chart, we have a very strong trend line right here, and what I am expecting is the market to come down. I talked to you about this in my immediate last video, that market should come from this level of resistance into this area of support, because this very level of support have been obeying from this area to this very point right here, to this very area right here, and this very one, which is the last one. So market have capacity of coming back to the downside to this very point. And what you should be watching is a breakout, because if you see a breakout here from this very trend line, which is also a support line, market is going to come back down, and what I am expecting is market to come into the $31,000 and $30,000 within this very area. That is what I'm expecting, but we need to see that very movement that breaks out of this level of support. Without doubt, market is going to move from where it is right now at 36.8k into this very level of important support. And once that breakout happens at this very point with a bearish candle that closed below this very area, then that means market is going to come back down, and that is what you should be watching right now as a trader. Because if you don't do that and you think the market is going to continue to buy, then you should be in the wrong direction of the market. So for us not to also neglect this very resistance, for the market to approach $40,000 and $45,000, we should see a breakout here with a bullish candle. And that is not what I am paying attention to right now, because of this rejection to the downside on this very resistance with this bearish candle. Expect the market to come back down. That should be your focus right now on the chart, and short the market once we see a breakout of this level of important support on the one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, in my immediate last video, I told you that the market is going to move a little bit upward and come back down, and that is the exact same thing here, guys. You can watch this very video to find that out yourself. And right now, market move, and market is at this very point. It's very simple. If you look at this chart very well, you discover this is where the market moved from in the past. So this area is an order. So this is an order block where the market buy and move up to this point, created a new high, and right now the market is moving down. I am expecting that this market come back to the downside into this very area. Okay, so from here we should have retracement to the upside. So pay attention to market continuation into this area. This is not the right time to short the market. Reason because market has moved all the way from here into this very point. So it will just move a little bit into this area, and the market will begin to come back to the upside again. before continuation, and I'll be updating you as well on this very channel. And on ETH move more than we see on Bitcoin, but right now it's coming down. If you look at this chart, you discover this very point was where the market moved from in the past and aggressively into a new high. So from this very point where we see the market move up from, I am expecting this market to come back down into this area. And if you look at it, the market has moved also significantly from this level of resistance right here into this very point of $2,014 right now. So expect this market to come down a little bit. Then from this other block, we will see the market react to the upside. This is what you must pay attention to. So this is a good buy zone, but you don't have to just buy or long the market from this area. You have to wait for the market to come into this area first of all, and then give us a sign to buy. That means we must see a bullish candle, and you must have confirmation on your strategy before entering the market into after the market come back into this area. So wait for the market to come down, okay, on ETH and on many USDT. If this coin is a new coin on Binance and is very important, the launch part just ended yesterday and the coin have been distributed, hence this very drop to the downside. So after every launch pool on Binance, coin that have been undergoing farming used to drop. Go and find it out yourself. You see, this very drop is a result of sell-off from people that have been farming this coin for over 20 to 30 days on Binance. What I am also expecting on this very chart is the market to come back to the downside into this very area. So if you look at this very point, is where the market moved from in the past. So market should come back into this area. Okay, so a little move into this point is required. So this is what I am expecting. Market should come down a little bit before the next move to the upside. And if we create a new low on this very coin, then know that this is a continuation of a massive drop on this very coin. That means if the market moves down and create a new low lower than this very low, then it means that the next move will be a retracement, then continuation back down as well. So expect the market to come back down on the immediate short term, and I'll be updating you as well on this channel. On ADA, very important, market should come back down obviously, just like on BTC and ETH. From this very point is an order block. So from here, market move to the upside, and right now market should come back into this area. Very importantly, market is going to come back down. I told you in my immediate last video that this market is going to come back down, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. So this area where the market is right now is 0.377. Market should continue this movement into this area before reaction. This is the possible area you should expect reaction when market come back into this area, because this was where the market moved from in the past. And lastly, on Matic, we are not seeing a very aggressive move on Matic because market is at this very point of order block. So from here, market retrace to the upside. From this very area, market retrace to the upside in the past. What I am expecting right now is for Matic to create a new low, because if you look at this chart, we have a downtrend already in play. Market move here, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement. So this is an impulse. It should create a new low. If it does not create a new low, that will mean that market is about to move to the upside on Matic. So I am expecting this market to come down and create a new low, because that will give me an idea that when the market move up, it is a retracement for another continuation to the downside as well. So expect the market to move down a little bit, although market is already in this very area of strong support. But a movement down will further confirm that the market is going to have a progression to the downside after a retracement. Continuation is possible. So this is what you must have to pay attention to on this various chart. Most importantly, on Bitcoin, I am very confident that this very level of resistance will hold the market strong. So therefore, we need the market to come back down And a breakout here is going to send the market back down massively into 31 and $30,000. This is what you need to watch to avoid being caught off in a crackdown on Bitcoin. If you are new to this channel, please help like this video. If you find value here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.